Hey everybody, this is Primo again. I'm here at the Old Colony Regional Vocational Technical High School. Wow, I got that whole line right the first time out. This is their car show that they have. They have it once a year. This year is a show of power. There are a lot of drag cars here. You can tell some of them were even struggling driving in. So I am going to be really excited to show you some of these cars. Everything from exotics to just things that just we'd love to see on the road. So I hope you enjoy it. Now this is something cool here that I've really only seen here. The support that we get from police officers that come out to this show. There's 4 police vehicles here representing at least 3 different towns or 1 county. And that's something that's really cool. They're not just out here looking for people to give them tickets or do any of that kind of thing. They're out here actually talking to people and mingling with the crowd. And that's something I wish I could see more of. I wish we could have more shows that really support kind of this back and forth thing, because I mean, if we're ever going to survive as a car show thing, this interaction is important, and I just love it. It really is something that's mastered here at this show, and I want to see more of it out there. So if you ever get a chance to come here, I want you to notice it because it's really cool.